So I found this cool R2-D2 remote control R2-D2 at Five Below today. So I think I could get batteries for this, but this is pretty cool. I saw this online, like I was going on Five Below, and like there's like ads on Facebook, and like I saw this on Facebook on the ad, and I was like, oh cool. Next time I go to Five Below, I'll probably find it. And sure enough, I found it today. It's only $5 for this. And so they're actually really cool. So, and I have a good spot for this. Right on top of there next to my lava lamps. I'm currently watching Ghost Adventures. It's like a marathon right now on Travel Channel, since next Thursday it's going to be their season 6 or 7 or something premiere. No, not season 6 or 7. I think it's like, no, excuse me, not season 6 or 7. It's going to be their season 26 or 27th or something. Season 6 or 7 probably would have been like 2009 or something. But anyway, I meant to say 27th or 26th. But anyway, let's look at this R2-D2. I think I'm going to get batteries for this, but we'll look at it still. Yeah, I think I'm going to get batteries. So I probably should have bought some batteries at Five Below, but I was so happy to see this. Yeah, I gotta get batteries for it, but I don't know where you put the batteries in. But still looks pretty cool. And they give you the remote control. See what kind of batteries it takes. Remote control R2-D2 requires 3 AA 15V batteries, not included. So I'll get some at Walmart or something tomorrow. Still pretty cool. You know, you think that they would include this since, like, you know, everything else seems to carry batteries with it. I don't know. But still pretty cool. Yeah, I'll get batteries tomorrow. But still pretty cool. If I don't forget, I probably should write a list or something. Because knowing me, I'm probably going to forget. I'm going to add it to my list. So anyway, pretty cool. So added I added it to my list. Actually, I should put the battery with what I had to put for batteries. Actually, sorry about that. Alright. So I just put what I need for batteries. So, that's pretty cool. Anyway, I'll try it out tomorrow. I actually probably should have known that it'd take batteries, but I was kind of so happy to get it, I just forgot that it needs batteries. I would have thought it came with batteries, but I probably should have thought about it a little bit more. But anyway, pretty cool. Remote control, R2-D2. Peace. And you can get them at Five Below for like $5. Like $5 in tax. So they're actually pretty reasonable price.